Hello everyone, my name is Coco and welcome to Yoga Flow Coco. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Sun Sal B sequence. If you haven't checked out my Sun Sal A video, I'll have that link down in the description. Today is a couple different variations I'm adding in to Sun Sal A. Basically, we're adding in a chair pose as well as high lunge with Warrior 1. So essentially it's just going to add in additional poses to the Sun Sal A sequence, so it's a little bit of a longer one, and we're going to get good and stretched out, get some energy going, and do our sun salutations. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and grab your yoga mat, some comfy yoga gear or gym clothes, and let's get into it. All right, so to get started, we're going to start at the end of our mat and ensure you have enough room around you so when you're raising your hands and everything that you're not knocking anything over. All right, so we're going to start off our sequence with raising our hands upward, an upward salute, and we're going to bend our knees to chair pose, reaching our arms up, palms facing each other, feet hip distance apart. And reach up, get a good upper back stretch here and shoulder stretch here. All right, on our next inhale, we're going to hinge forward, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Walking into a plank position, straighten the back here, having the hands right below the shoulders, feet hip distance apart. Take an inhale here. Exhale, Chaturanga all the way down. Inhale, upward facing dog, sternum up. On your exhale, we're going to curl the toes under to downward facing dog, hinge the hips up. Take a couple breaths here. Starting with the right leg, we're going to, on our inhale, reach the left leg up behind you. Then plant the left leg, or the right leg, the right foot forward. And go ahead and turn the back heel at about a 45-degree angle. I'm going to swing the arms up, palms facing each other, into Warrior 1 pose. Bending at that front knee there. Getting a strong stance here. Warming up the body. Getting our muscles nice and toned. On your next inhale, we're going to bring the arms down to the mat. Bring the right leg back. Turn that left heel back facing the back of the mat into your plank position. All the way down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. And my mic just fell. I'm going to clip that back on there. And we're good to go. On our next inhale, we're going to reach the left leg up, straight behind you. Then step the left foot forward. Turn the right heel slightly, about a 45-degree angle. Bending at the front knee. Bring the arms up to Warrior 1. Take a couple breaths here. On your next inhale, we're going to bring the arms down. Step the left foot back. Bring yourself to a plank. Bring it all the way down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. On your next inhale, we're going to step or hop both of the feet up to the mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward fold one more time. Inhale all the way up, but bring the hands, palms facing each other. Dip the hips down to a chair pose. Exhale. On your your next inhale, reach the arms all the way up, upward salute. Bring the arms down to Tadasana, mountain pose. Exhale. All right, we're going to do that in more of a flow sequence this time, so less instruction based, but I'm just going to kind of flow through, still talking through the movement and postures. So in your first inhale, we're going to reach the arms up, palms facing each other, chair pose. Dip the hips down. Take a couple breaths here. Next, we're going to forward fold, hinge the hips down. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. And your next inhale, we're going to walk the hands up, plank position. Strong stance here. Take an inhale. And exhale all the way down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. Take a couple of breaths. Ensure the back is straight here. You can pedal the feet here a little bit if you like. And pressing both of the heels down to the mat. This time we're going to start with our left foot. So on our inhale, we're going to raise that left leg up. Inhale, step the left foot forward. Turn the right heel with a 45-degree angle. Bring both of the arms up, palms facing each other. Warrior one. Exhale. On your next inhale, we're going to bring both of the arms down. Step the left foot back, plank position. Bring it all the way down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. Alternating legs, we're going to raise the right leg up behind us, straight leg back. Step the right leg forward, bending at the knee. Turn the left heel slightly. Bring both arms up, stretching at that front knee. Warrior one. On the next inhale, bring both of the arms down. Step the right foot back, plank position. Hold it for a moment. Bring it all the way down, Chaturanga Tadasana. Flatten the feet behind you. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. On the next breath, we're going to step or hop both of the feet up to the front of the mat. Fold down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. One more time. Get a good stretch in the back hamstring muscles. On our next inhale, we're going to bring the arms up, palms facing each other, dip the hips down, chair pose. Pressing down on our feet, all our toe mounds. Strong reach here. Bring the navel back towards the spine. Take a couple breaths here. On your next inhale, bring the arms all the way back up. Exhale, bring the arms down to mountain pose. Palms facing forward. Crown lifted up. All right, we're going to do that just one more time. Let's get in the flow sequence here. Our Sun Salutation B. All right, so starting off again with reaching the arms up. Inhale. Palms face each other. Dip down to chair pose. Exhale. Next inhale, hinge the hips forward. Forward fold. Exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Walk the hands down plank. Straighten the back here. Feet hip distance apart. Hold it for a moment. All the way down, Chaturanga Tadasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. Starting with the right foot, I'm going to bring the right leg back behind us, step the right foot forward, bending at that knee. Arms up, warrior one. And next inhale, we're going to bring both of the arms down, step the right foot back, inhale all the way down, or exhale all the way down, inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Alternating legs, bring the left leg back behind you, step the left foot back, bring the arms up, warrior one. Square the hips. Next inhale, bring both arms down to the mat. Step the left foot back to plank position. Hold for a moment. Bring it all the way down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. Step or hop both of the feet back to the front of the mat. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold one more time. Inhale all the way up. Palms face each other, dip the hips down, chair pose. Take a couple breaths here. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, bring the arms down to the sides, palms facing forward. Mountain pose. All right, well, that was our Sun Sal B. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it's not blurry like the last one. And I will get this uploaded right away. I look forward to seeing you guys on the Sun Sal C video. If you haven't checked out my Sun Sal A video, I'll have that linked in the description or pop the link up here. And yeah, look forward to seeing you all in the next one very, very soon. Be sure to subscribe for more. Bye. Namaste.